Wintertime now. In this video, I would like to show you how to make tomato and egg soup, which is perfect comfort food for winter. This portion is for about 1 to 2 person. So simply you just need 1 big tomato or 2 small tomatoes and dice it into small cubes, or you can cut it into bigger chunks. It depends on you, but I like it to cut into small pieces. And in the pan, add a little bit of oil, add some garlic, stir fry the garlic for about 30 seconds to release aroma, and then add the tomatoes and stir fry for about 30 seconds to release our aroma as well. After that, set aside the tomatoes and then add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Stir fry a bit of the tomato paste to release aroma. It may not be very common for Western cooking, but we do stir fry the tomato paste. The tomato paste can enrich the flavors of the soup. If you like the soup to be thicker, just add more tomato paste. Then combine and then add about 1.5 cup of boiling water to make the soup. After that, add 1 beaten egg into the soup to make the egg drops. You can use a pair of chopsticks to help so that you can make a nice and beautiful egg drop into the soup. Then add about half tablespoon of sugar to balance the acidity of the tomato. Then add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. At the end, add the spring onion and then combine well. Yep, that's it. Very simple and quick. The soup has lots of nutrition and it is perfect for winter. So you can also use the same recipe for your noodle soup. It will taste amazing. And I hope you can enjoy the soups during this winter time. I'll see you next time.